So what type of injury has to happen for a personal injury lawsuit?
So in Texas, you have to actually be injured. It's funny because every once in a while, I'll get a phone call from somebody saying, I almost got hit, I was almost in an accident, this person cut me off, but at the end of the day, if there was no contact, if you didn't get injured, you can't claim or you can't sue for almost having an accident. And to have a valid personal injury claim, then you have to have an injury. So you can't sue for emotional distress or pain and suffering without it actually being connected to some sort of impact to your body, whether it's a laceration, a cut, a soft tissue injury. There are very narrow exceptions. For example, if you're walking with a family member and you see them get run over by a car, and you could possibly file a bystander claim. You could also sue, for example, if a loved one died, you have a wrongful death claim, even though you yourself didn't get injured, you have a wrongful death claim. And there's a survival claim for the person that died. It was pain and suffering before they died. So there are exceptions, but generally speaking, if you're going to file a claim for personal injury, there needs to be contact and there needs to be injury.